Hi everybody, how we doing? Welcome back to our channel. Yes, like in our previous post, I said we're going to be talking about different kind of teas for different kind of ailments. And I said there is no ailment, there is no condition, health condition that we don't have particular herbal tea to treat. So today we'll be looking at just two types. So in the few days to come, we'll be looking at different teas for different conditions. Today we'll be looking at the tea for digestive issues. If you have problem with digestion, all right, you will be looking at that tea. And number one thing, if you have problem with your digestive system or digestion, is peppermint tea. Yeah, the peppermint tea is known for its cooling effect and calming properties. It contains menthol, which helps to relax the muscles in your digestive tract. Here is what it can treat. Let's get it down. Indigestion. Peppermint can help break down food faster, easy bloating and discomfort. Whatever discomfort you feel around the digestive area, peppermint will solve it, all right? Irritable bowel syndrome, that's the IBS. Many people with IBS find relief from cramps and pains with peppermint tea. Now, how do we make this peppermint tea? To make peppermint tea, just dip a handful of fresh or dried peppermint leaf in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink after meals to help digestion. I will not encourage you to add any sweetener at all. Don't add any sweetener. Just take it that way. You will feel relief, and I will encourage you to take it for like 2-3 days. All right, for like 2-3 days, and you will see that you will get great relief from your bloating, your indigestion, and your irritable bowel syndrome. Peppermint is a great tea to try. Try it out and let me know in the comment below. Yeah, if you're feeling nausea, if you're feeling, like vomiting, throwing up, stomach cramp, indigestion, another herbal tea that you can leverage on is the ginger tea. Yes, ginger is so great. In fact, I wonder what the world would be without ginger. Ginger is so versatile. We can use it for so many things. So another tea you can leverage on is ginger when you're feeling nausea, when you're vomiting, all right? Whether it is morning sickness, you're pregnant, motion sickness, or an upset stomach, ginger is your go-to herbal tea. Yeah, whether you have stomach cramp, ginger is your go-to. Whether you have if you want to improve your digestion, ginger stimulates saliva and bile and gastric enzymes, helping food move through the digestive system more smoothly. So I will encourage you. This is the first day of our, herbal tea challenge for all ailment. There is no ailment that cannot be treated, I tell you. So today we've looked at peppermint and ginger. Try it and let me see how you are doing about it, all right? So go ahead and make your ginger tea and your peppermint tea. Ginger, just take a handful. It could be dry, ginger. It could be fresh, it could be powder, it could be the seed. Pour it in your hot water. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a little bit of lemon to it for extra flavoring. Take and enjoy. All right, see you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.